there, I'm Renee.
And I'm Casey.
We're here to introduce the all-new 2019 Subaru Forester.
It's redesigned from the inside out to give you more space, enhance your comfort, and help keep you safe. Whether you're the driver, the co-pilot, or a furry passenger. Plus, it gets a whole new look to help you take your style to the next level.
And because it's a Subaru, it has standard Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive. And you know it's built to last. In terms of safety, Subaru is always looking forward. That's why every Forester now includes standard EyeSight driver assist technology. It watches the road ahead and alerts you if it senses danger. And with pre-collision braking, it can even bring you to a full stop if necessary. The Forester also offers a new technology designed to reduce distracted driving. If it senses that you aren't watching the road, it can alert you to help you stay focused.
It can also recognize up to 5 drivers and even remember their preferred settings.
There are several more advanced safety technologies available on the Forester. It can alert you if a vehicle is detected in one of your blind spots. It can also warn you if something is approaching from the side as you're backing up. And if an object is behind you, it can even automatically apply the brakes if necessary to help you stop in time.
For those times when visibility is in short supply, the Forester now features standard LED headlights. Plus, available steering responsive headlights can help you see better around corners. And available high beam assist can automatically dim and activate your high beams as needed. You can also add Subaru STARLINK safety and security, which features automatic collision notification to instantly connect you to first responders for help when you need it most. The all-new Forester gets an updated Subaru Boxer engine, now with direct injection for more power and better fuel economy.
And true to Subaru form, Forester delivers the driving confidence of standard Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive. When you also consider its impressive ground clearance, even those out-of-the-way places are easy to reach.
The all-new Forester is designed to adapt to you. Its generous cargo space offers room for whatever the weekend might need. And there's still room to bring even the smallest member of the family. With raised roof rails, you can quickly get geared up and on your way. And even if you have wider cargo, the new extra-wide rear gate opening is up to the task. Once the Forester is all loaded, just tap the button on the power rear gate and watch it close and lock, all on its own. Step inside the all-new Forester and you'll find advanced technology and personalized comfort everywhere you look. You can add Wi-Fi for enhanced connectivity. And you can easily access all your music and apps through Subaru STARLINK Multimedia with an available 8-inch touchscreen. Plus, with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, your different devices can be compatible.
Throughout the cabin, you'll find soft yet durable materials accented by contrast stitching. And plenty of legroom, whether you have 2 legs or 4. For your passengers in back, there are conveniences like available heated seats, air vents, and USB ports. And the panoramic moonroof brings an open, airy feeling to the whole cabin. There are thoughtful details everywhere, including the heated steering wheel for those cold mornings.
When you consider everything that went into the Forester, it's really no surprise that mile after mile, it retains its value better than the competition.
This is the all-new Subaru Forester, the SUV for all you love.